Hello student, welcome to Study with Ravi, your own YouTube channel. Those who are first time visiting on this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for the next notification. And if you like the contents are good, then press the like button also. I am Ravi. Today we will start fraction. As you know, fraction is a part of any whole thing. If we are dividing the whole things into the parts, we will get each part is a fraction. You can also say that fraction is the part of whole. Guys, in your syllabus there are many type of fraction which we have to study. So we are going to study one by one each type of the fraction. So first of all, there is proper fraction. What is proper fraction? As you know that in every fraction there is three things. This is called numerator, this is called denominator, and this line is called divide line. Means you can say that the upper number is called numerator and the lower number is called denominator. Remember this thing, that denominator always shows the number of parts, number of total parts of that whole thing, and the numerator shows that respected part or that corresponding part for which we are representing this fraction. So in the proper fraction, numerator is always smaller than the denominator. For example, 1 by 3, 2 by 7, 1 by 9, these all are the proper fraction. Why? Because you can see that in all these fractions, numerator is smaller than the denominator. Now we have to discuss improper fraction. What are improper fraction? The improper fraction are those fractions in which numerator is greater than denominator. Means in other word you can say that improper fraction is just opposite of the proper fraction. In proper fraction, numerator is smaller than denominator, while in improper fraction numerator is greater than denominator. For example, 7 by 3, 8 by 7, 2 by 4 by 3, these all are the example of improper fraction. Now we will discuss mixed fraction. Actually guys, this mixed fraction is the combination of two fraction. This mixed fraction is the, as per name, you can understand by the name mixed. You know that mixed means where combination of things. So what is mixed fraction? A fraction which is the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. A whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 1 whole 1 by 2. What is this? This is mixed fraction. Why? Because it is combination of whole number 1 and 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. Similarly, 2 whole 1 by 3, 3 whole 1 by 7. Yes, notable thing is that this fractional part must be proper fraction. Suppose I am writing a fraction here, 3 whole 7 by 4. Remember this thing, this is not a proper fraction. This is not a proper fraction. Sorry, this is not a mixed fraction. Why? Because here fractional part is not a proper fraction. It is improper fraction. But as per definition, what I told you, in mixed fraction, it is a mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and proper fraction. Now we'll discuss equivalent fractions. What are equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions are those fractions which are seems different but actually their values are similar. Their values are equal. For example, 4 by 6 and 6 by 9. These both are looking different, but you know that we can write them in the standard form. Then the 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Similarly here 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So both value are coming 2 by 3, 2 by 3. So these are what? Equivalent fractions. Means you can say that the fractions having equal value are called equivalent fractions. One more thing, for any fraction you can find the its equivalent fraction. Suppose we have to find the equivalent fraction of 1 by 3. How to find? Normally multiplying numerator and denominator both by natural numbers, you can get the equivalent fractions. For example, 1 by 3, if you multiply 1 with 2, you will get 2. Similarly, you will multiply 3 with 2, you will get 6. 1 multiply by 3, 3 multiply by 3, it will be 9. These all are the equivalent fraction and their values are equal. So you learn what are equivalent fraction and what are how to find the equivalent fraction of a given fraction. Now we'll discuss like fraction and unlike fraction. What are like fraction? Like fractions are those fractions whose denominators are equal. Denominators are equal. For example, 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 2. These all have the same denominator, that is 2. So we can say that they are like fractions. Its opposite, unlike fraction, denominators are different. Yes, using the finding the LCM of denominator, we can convert the unlike fractions into like fractions. Now guys, we will discuss the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions. For the addition, firstly we are going to the like fraction. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. You can see that these are like fractions. So for their addition, normally we will write the common denominator 2 and we will add the numerator 1 plus 3. Then we will get 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. 4 by 2, that is 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, that is 2. Second thing, unlike fractions addition, like 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. You can see that these are the unlike fractions. Both denominator are different. So firstly we will find the LCM of denominators. LCM of denominators. What will be the LCM of denominator? 2 and 4's LCM will be 4. I think you know how to find LCM. If you don't know, use the prime factorization method. 2 and 4. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Again 1 is at it, 1 will write as it is, 2 1 ja 2. So what is LCM? 2 into 2, that is 4. So LCM is 4. So what we will do? We will convert them into like fraction after writing the denominator, both denominator 4. But earlier it was 2 and now it is 4. So what will happen? We multiplied 2 by 2, then we are getting 4. Similarly, we will multiply 1 also by 2, it will be 2. Remember 2. As well as earlier it was 4 and now again it is 4. Means we will write second numerator as it is. Now their denominators are same. So just like this question, we will write common denominator 4 and it will be 2 plus 3, that is 5 by 4, and this is our answer. Yes, remember this thing. If your answer is coming as an improper fraction, try to change it into mixed fraction. How to change it? If you don't know, see here how to change it. If 5 by 4 is coming, na, so we will divide 5 by the 4. 4 1 ja 4, 1 is remainder. So whatever quotient you are getting, that will be whole. 1 whole. 1, remember the quotient will represented as whole, and whatever remainder is there, that will represented as numerator, and denominator is just like the earlier, whatever it was earlier. So I hope you understand this. In the same way you will do the subtraction. Let me see an example. 1 by 2 minus 4 by 7. 2 by 7. What to do? Firstly, we'll find the LCM just like the previous question. 2 and 7's LCM will be 14. LCM will be 14. So what to do? We will write 14 as the denominator of both number. 2 7s are 14, so 1 7s are 7, and 7 2s are 14, so 2 2s are 4. Now common denominator is 14. 7 minus 4, that is 3 by 14, and this is your answer. Multiplication is so easy. For the multiplication, what we are doing? For example, 2 by 7 and 1 by 3. What we are doing? We multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with the denominator. 2 1s are 2 and 3 7s are 21. One more example. 4 by 7 into 9 by 3. Or sorry, 9 by 2. So in this way, you know that we will multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. 2 2s are 4, 9 2s are 18, and 7 1s are 7. Again improper fraction. So what you will do? Just like this concept. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. It is going extra. So what we will do? 7 2s are 2 is quotient. So we will write 2. 7 2s are 14, 4 will left. So 2 whole 4 by 7 is the answer. In division there is little different with the multiplication. Suppose we have to divide 7 by 4 by 1 by 5. How to divide? Beta, it is just like the multiplication, only you have to remember one thing, that you will write this 7 by 4 as it is, but this division sign will change into multiplication, and further the dividend or the second number, you will write its multiplicative inverse. You know multiplicative inverse means numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. Now this 1 by 5 will be 5 by 1. Means simply, if you are not understanding, you can understand in this way, that in division we will convert the division sign into multiplication, and next number we will convert as, it's a reciprocal, means numerator and denominator will alternately change to each other. Now same procedure like multiplication, numerator multiply with numerator and denominator multiply with denominator. 7 5s are 35 upon 4. Thank you students. For any query or any problem, you can comment on YouTube channel as well as WhatsApp group, and I will help you. Yes, those who are new, please subscribe for the next notification and as well as next video. And if the contents are good, you are understanding, please like, and you can also share with your other friends, those who are not from our school. You can also share with them those. Thank you class.